Okay, students, to get Python, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Google and do a search, something like this, Python download. Once you hit search, options such as this are going to appear. You want to go to www.python.org, downloads, and just select download the latest Python. I'm going to grab the version 3.82, or again, the latest version. Got to wait until it copies itself onto my computer. So once it's done copying, I'm going to go to this pop-up window, and if it doesn't appear, just click here. It'll eventually come up. And I'm going to say install now. Select yes. And wait. And wait. Till you see this window. See it? Close it. Once you close it, you might want to go and see if it has actually been installed. It has. Here it is. I have IDLE or Python. I'm just going to bring up and open IDLE. The pin it to start, and I'm also going to pin it to my taskbar. So here it is here it is down here. I'm going to go there. This is Python, and we'll talk about later on things that we can do with Python. So there's your Python install. Pretty simple, easy, and free. Okay, the next and last thing that I would like you to install is something called PyCharm. PyCharm is an integrated development environment. You're going to use this piece of software to actually write your programs in. It'll provide you some feedback and so on. So we can either write in IDLE or we can use PyCharm. In this class, we're going to be using this software. So say download. I do not want the professional because I have to pay for it, so I'm going to do the community. Same thing, it's copying to my computer down here. So eventually it'll count down. So it's finished downloading. I'm going to click here. And I'm going to allow it to be installed. Basically, I'm going to select the defaults. Although I am going to do one thing. I want to put this somewhere where I can easily find it. You don't have to do that step, but I want to. Come on. Okay, good. I select next. I don't need to select anything. You might want to select the 64-bit, but you don't need it. Now down in here, scroll down to Python. I'll select 3.8. Let it extract. And when it's done, it should be ready to go. When it's done, you get this pop-up. Don't have to check run. I'll run it for now. Say finish. And here it comes. Here's a copy, or this is not a copy, this is the actual software. Here's an example that you get of code. So we'll discuss how to use this later and when to use it, but for now, there's your install.